What does my bicycle light, iPhone, drone battery and fridge all have in common? Well, these are just some of the things that I have either recharged or powered using this. The Bluetti EB3A portable power station. It's been a little while now since my unboxing and initial impressions video, so I thought I would do a follow-up to share how I have been using this device day to day. As mentioned in my previous video, this is not a paid review, but this product was sent to me free of charge. This little Bluetti portable power station has surprised me with how many uses I can find for it. Probably the most common way I've been using it is as a USB charging station for all my devices. It's really handy to be able to plug in my bike light, my camera and drone batteries, even place my iPhone on top of the wireless charger, all within the one device. Instead of needing to find multiple power adapters and outlets, this can all be done through the EB3A with its multiple ports. You can have the EB3A plugged into mains power if you're at home, and then essentially it works as a hub to allow easy charging of all your devices, but then you can just as easily do the same if you're on the go. The EB3A is super portable with enough battery capacity to charge all your devices before it needs a recharge itself. One tip, if you do need to charge even more USB devices, grab yourself a cheap 12-volt car outlet to USB adapter and you can easily get another 2 ports. I've been trying my best to recharge the EB3A from solar panels, so essentially all my devices lately have been charged free from the sun. Recently I had to take some photos with my drone at short notice and unfortunately all my batteries were flat. I typically travel on a Vespa and due to the size of the EB3A it means I could fit it in the back storage box along with the drone batteries and have them charged while I was on the way to the location. By the time I arrived, all the batteries were charged and I could complete the job I needed to do. Without the EB3A, I just don't think I would have been able to use my drone for the job, or I would have had to delay it, which based on the weather forecast was not really an option. Another use I found for the EB3A was as a mains power supplier using the 600 watt inverter on board to run my home fridge. When my fridge starts up, it does draw just over the maximum 600 watts the EB3A can handle, but then the fridge power draw settles down. After being plugged in for an hour, the Bluetti indicated 30% power had been used, so I could potentially run my fridge for around 3 hours on battery alone. Super handy in an unexpected power blackout situation, but if you want to be powering your fridge or larger home appliances regularly, there are bigger Bluetti power stations that will be more suitable. I've also tested the EB3A as a UPS or uninterruptible power supply for my home office setup, and it has worked great in testing. Really handy to ensure if I have a loss of power, I won't be at risk of losing my work or damaging a connected hard drive. When I simulated power being cut, the EB3A immediately switched over to using power from the battery, and my computer, monitor, hard drives and router stayed powered on, allowing me to save my work and shut down safely. You could also use the EB3A as a battery backup type solution for an alarm system or hardwired security cameras too. Whether it's at home used as a mains inverter to keep your lights on in a blackout, a UPS to save you from losing your work, or as a portable power station to take to the beach, the park or camping, the Bluetti EB3A portable power station is a really useful product for keeping you powered anytime and anywhere. Just bear in mind the capacity, and if you think you will need more power, have a look at the full range of Bluetti products on offer. If you have any questions about this product, leave a comment below. Otherwise, there are links in the description on where you can pick one up. And as always, thanks for watching.